Hello guys, have you ever thought why don't the nails of a tiger or any other animal do not grow? Why do the nails stop growing? But in case of human beings, nails continue growing. Why? There's a philosophical solution to this problem. Animals' nails do not grow so much because nobody is there to cut their nails, to trim their nails. No one is there to help them. In case of human beings, we can cut our nails, we can trim our nails. As we have no software needed. If you have many softwares, it means you are not as strong. Suppose women have many more softwares than men. Why? Because a woman needs to have childbirth, needs to have breastfeeding, and there are other necessary softwares. But in case of a man, we have fewer softwares because we don't need them. So as long as you need some software, there will be that software. If you don't need it, then it will be not there. It's because if you have many more softwares, you cannot be strong. So what's important is that for physical strength, for mental strength, for intelligence, you need fewer softwares. The more softwares you have in your mobile phone, in your computer, the less strong that device becomes. So the number one reason is that as we have many softwares, we are slow, we cannot fight, we cannot run fast. That's the thing. So the thing is that the less number of softwares, the less heavy softwares you have, the stronger you may turn. You may be physically stronger, you may be mentally stronger, you may be in terms of brains stronger. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.